Every morning at 3 o'clock it is clear. This is how many parcels must be delivered today. This important information was distributed via various channels and did not always reliably reach everyone. Now I wake up, check our Partner Hub and see how many parcels there are in our distribution center. If there would be more parcels than expected, I can now rearrange quickly and start into the day well prepared and act more efficiently.
At GLS Germany, we work closely with over 500 transport partners whose employees collect and deliver parcels to our customers every day. To ensure that this cooperation is efficient, digital and at eye level, we have developed the GLS Partner Hub together with Flip. The GLS Partner Hub enables us to communicate easily and securely with our partners, regardless of whether it concerns individual locations or an entire region. All relevant information and tools can be accessed at any time. In addition, we receive direct feedback for the first time and can evolve together to succeed even further.
At GLS, we are strongly KPI driven. Every morning we have a KPI meeting with our transport partners for quality assurance. Previously, our transport partners could only review these KPIs in that meeting. With the Partner Hub, they can now access the KPIs beforehand, which allows us to have an efficient meeting at eye level. Another big plus is the translation feature. This way, no information can get lost anymore due to language barriers.
The app and its various integrations simplify my daily work enormously. With Flip, for example, we have created an integration for ordering our image clothing. From documenting the order on paper and placing it in the ERP system, to a simple quick order in our Partner Hub. This way, we operate much more efficiently and save not only time, but also costs.
Even when I'm on the road, I'm always well informed thanks to the Partner Hub app. For the first time, I can access news and information quickly and easily from anywhere. I feel that I am now even more closely connected to my company and like my voice is being heard.